Hello friends! Today I will be showing you some self-massage techniques that you can do anytime throughout the day to relax your muscles and relieve pain and tension. Let's begin by taking a moment to ensure that we are sitting correctly. Take a moment to strengthen your spine and notice how that feels. Doesn't it already feel easier to breathe in this position? Next, we need to ensure that our head is positioned correctly, not leaning forwards or backwards too much. You want your ears to be directly above your shoulders. To test this, you can point your fingers at your ear holes, then draw a line straight down to your shoulders to ensure your head is aligned correctly. The position you are now in ensures good posture. Proper posture is so essential for preventing back and neck pain, improving your breathing, enhancing digestion, increasing your energy and mood, and even helping you feel more confident. Now, let's do a before test for the massage. Keep your back nice and still and see how far you can look over your shoulder without straining your neck. Try to notice the item that is the furthest behind you. A lamp, a desk, a couch, or any object in your line of vision. Make a mental note of it. Then slowly bring your head back to the middle now. Let it rest for a second or two, and then look over your other shoulder, again looking for the object furthest behind you. Finally, move your head back to the center and we can begin our warm-up self-massage. With your spine still lengthened, let's roll our shoulders back a few times. 1, 2, 3. Now roll them forward. 1, 2, 3. Roll them backwards one more time. 1, 2, 3. And forward one more time. 1, 2, 3. Feel free to take long, deep breaths as we do these exercises. And now, let's warm up our neck by doing some chin rolls as well. Drop your chin down and gently roll from side to side. Slow and steady. Side to side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now our massage can begin. First, gently tilt your head to one side. We'll begin squeezing along the shoulders, upper back, and neck. Adjust the pressure to suit your needs, always beginning with a gentle pressure and building on it as needed. Most of the tension from the squeeze will come from your fingertips. Your palm would mostly stay still. So let's go back and forth along the neck and shoulders a few times, warming up the area nicely. So now we need to look for a point to help release the neck and the shoulders. Let's determine the spot where the neck turns into the back and shoulders. Right here. This will be our first point. Place your thumb here, and now let's look for the second point. You want to determine where your collarbone touches your shoulder blade. To do this, I like to gently trace along my collarbone until I reach the edge where it touches the shoulder. Place another finger here. Now, notice the area between the 2 points that you identified. This is the area where we will work now. Using 1 or 2 fingers, you can place them in the center of this area and move your fingers back a tiny bit. This will now allow us to do some work on the upper trapezius muscle. Use 1 or 2 fingers to press down on this area with moderate pressure. This spot should feel a little bit tender as we press down on it. We'll now use our fingers to draw the tiniest little circles around the spot. This movement is felt much more than it is seen. Now, keep pressing on that same spot and gently begin moving your nose in small little circles. What an interesting sensation. This technique combines gentle stretching with massage to help release tension. If you want to move your nose up and down or side to side, that is perfectly fine too, as long as the movements are small, slow, and gentle. You can even move your fingers a tiny bit to the left or the right to press on a slightly different spot, if that feels better. Do what feels right for you. You can relax your head a little bit, let it drop slightly to the side, and to now end off on the side, we'll go back to that squeezing motion we did before. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Up and down along the shoulder. We'll add a little bit of variety by doing some small circles as you squeeze, only if that feels good to you. bring your head back to the center, making sure your head is once again aligned with your shoulders. Isn't there already such a difference between the two sides of your shoulders? It just shows that even if you take just a few minutes between work or chores to treat yourself, it can make a big difference. We will now do the same technique on the other side. Self-massage provides many helpful benefits for both the body and mind, such as easing pain, lowering your stress and worries, improving blood flow, and helping you feel more relaxed. It can also make your muscles more flexible, decrease muscle tightness, and help you sleep better. Massage can help ease muscle soreness that happens a day or two after exercise or injury. This soreness is also known as DOMS. And massage can also help your muscles recover faster. Self-massage can even contribute to smoother, more elastic skin. Self-massage boosts happy hormones known as serotonin and dopamine, which leads to feelings of well-being. Now that we've massaged the other shoulder, we'll bring our heads back to the center once again. Take a moment to appreciate how your muscles feel. Next, we'll move on and focus on the neck itself. So, go ahead and take one hand to the back of your neck. I prefer using my dominant hand, which is my right hand, but use whichever hand feels more comfortable to you. Then you're going to squeeze up and down the length of the neck. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And feel the tension melt away. After a few squeezes, you can alternate your hands if that feels more comfortable to you. This self-massage technique also allows your hand muscles to stretch and warm up a bit. By targeting muscles and fascia, a neck massage can help improve your flexibility and ease of movement. Now we want to move to the base of your skull. You will need both hands for this movement. Use both of your thumbs to draw circles around the base of your scalp. You can alternate the direction of the circles after a while if that feels good. Let's massage around and around and around. Around and around and around. Okay, and now let's massage behind the back of the ear. Take a moment to feel behind your ears for the hard bone. This is where we will be massaging. This bone connects to several other important muscles, making it a key point for tension. Move back and forth in a C shape. Back and forth. Back and forth. You may begin to feel some of your other neck muscles relaxing even more just from this movement. And with that, our massage comes to an end. If you do have a few extra moments, stick with me. And please sit back up in your starting position and take a few deep breaths. Breathing in and out. You should notice that it feels so much easier to breathe. Let's do our next test. Looking over the shoulder. Again, look over your one shoulder and notice the furthest object that you can see. Can you see a little bit further than you could a few minutes ago before the massage? Let's repeat this test slowly on the other side as well. Gently look over your other shoulder. How far can you see this time? Do you notice a difference? And lastly, you can do a few small stretches to really make your muscles feel good. We can bring our hands to the back of our head, fingers intertwined, elbows pointing outwards. How good does that stretch feel? It just opens everything up so nicely. We can also take some time to lean one arm over the head, grabbing the elbow with our opposite hand. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Feel the tension leaving your muscles. Let's repeat this on the other side. Stretch, stretch, stretch. So much better. Thank you so very much for watching this video and choosing to give yourself some love and care by doing these self-massage techniques. You can come back to this video at any time. Take care of yourself. All my love, Anay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just a quick reminder that I do offer memberships on this channel. For less than $1 a month, you get access to 2 bonus videos a month. You get my Monday video 2 days early so that you can enjoy it over the weekend. And you get some custom badges and emojis that I have put together for you. So please consider supporting my channel, and if you're interested, more information will be in the description. Thank you so much, and have an awesome rest of your day or night.